Hello, good morning everyone, and Happy New Year. Today's video is I think I'm going to pick the corn because it's getting dry. The flesh, what they call that one, the flesh of the corn is it's getting dry, and they look at this. I think this is not good anymore. See? So I think it's time to pick up now, because otherwise we can't eat this one because it's drying. It's ready to wala kayo nga ano din kayo og wala na nakaon ang kuan tungod sa na dry na sila, so may pakuhaon na lang siya. Ang uban kani siya bilin lang ng uban nga kuan mga anak-anak nila ang kanilang dagko ang kuhaon, so wala na sila mga buhok. Okay? Na ang unod na